The amount of time you spend rolling a muscle or muscle group will depend on the purpose. For rolling as a part of a warm-up routine, you will want to go about 10 passes over each muscle or muscle group, ensuring to go the full length of the muscle and maintain even pressure throughout the roll. If you are rolling for recovery, you will want to spend about 30 seconds on each muscle. The following is a foam rolling sequence designed to hit the IT band, quads, and the hip flexors. This can be used for a pre-workout routine or as a part of a post-recovery routine. Begin by lying on your side with the foam roller underneath your leg right above your knee. Place your hands and the foot of your top leg out in front of you, flat on the floor for support. Press up through the palms to propel the body weight forward to roll the length of the muscle and back, in a smooth pop and roll fashion, while keeping the foot flexed. Continue rolling as you slowly rotate the body to first begin rolling the outer 3/4 of the quad all the way around to the front of the quad, especially hitting the top of the hip flexor. Rolling as a part of a warm-up routine has been proven to increase intramuscular temperature and provide short-term improvements in flexibility and mobility without decreasing muscle performance. Foam rolling post-workout or as a part of a recovery routine has been proven to increase the muscle recovery rate as well as reduce soreness.